Are you having trouble making a dessert? In this video, we'll teach you how to make a delicious mug cake. Easy, practical, and fast.
Hey, the cake exploded in my microwave.
No. When you finish this video, you'll be happy and know how to make the best dessert. Whip up a delicious mug cake in minutes. Step 1. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Step 2. 2 tablespoons of oil. Step 3. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or chocolate. Step 4. 4 tablespoons of flour. Step 5. 4 tablespoons of milk. Step 6. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. And mix it. You can use a hand mixer if you prefer. Then you have your delicious mug cake.